iPhone 16 is rumored to have 120Hz ProMotion display, similar to the iPhone 13 Pro model. It is expected to have 8GB of RAM and storage option ranging from 256GB and 2TB. The device will be powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, which include 4 efficiency core and 2 performance core. It will also feature a 6-core GPU. Body of the iPhone 16 will be made out of titanium. It will have a triple camera setup with the possibility of a 6x or 10x optical zoom, along with the LiDAR sensor. The battery size is expected to have remained the same at the 4852 mAh, but it could be changed. The base model with the 256GB of storage it rumored to start at $1,299 USD. Please note that this is a yearly leak and rumor, and more information will surface throughout the year. Stay tuned for update on this channel. If you enjoy this video, so please like and subscribe for more Apple product news. Don't forget to hit a notification bell. Stay updated. Thank you for watching. See you soon.